Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. I picked up this used up candle at a yard sale that looked like a farmhouse milk container. I think this is the easiest project I have ever done. All I did was remove the sticker from the front of the container. I then took it to the kitchen and washed it with soap and water. And then wiped it down with nail polish remover. I found this adorable cut file on Design Bundles. I'll leave a link to the bundle I found for this cut file in the description also. I loaded the image into Design Space and sized it to fit the container, and then cut it out. I applied the vinyl to some transfer tape and then applied it to the container. And like I said, this is the easiest project I think I have ever done. I'm going to clean all of the old wax out of the bottom of the container so I can use it to store some small items in or as a vase. And just look at how stinking cute this is. I absolutely love it. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!